Hello friends, I am Trupti Singhal from the career classes. In this video, we'll learn how to solve the exercise 1.1 from our textbook. Let's see question 1. Question 1 is use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of these two numbers 135 and 225. As we know that Euclid division algorithm, to find the HCF of any two numbers, we have to first show that A is greater than B. Which number is A? We assume one number as A and one number as a B. So here solution, as A is greater than B, therefore 225 is greater than 135. So let's apply Euclid division algorithm onto these numbers. Apply Euclid division algorithm on this A and B. So what we have here as per EDL is 225 is equals to 135 into, we have to put here the quotient, and plus we have to put here the remainder, because our EDL is A is equals to B into Q plus R. So we have to put here the quotient by dividing these two numbers and here the R. So let's check out what is Q and R by dividing this. So 225 divided by 135 is, as we see here, 135 ones are only, because it's a 260, so it goes more. So 135 ones are 135, 0, 12 minus 3, 9 and 0. So what we get? The remainder R is equals to 90 and the quotient is equals to 1. So just put the values of Q and R here, quotient as a 1 and remainder as a 90. So as Euclid division algorithm says that if we don't get the R is equals to 0 at very first stage, we have to apply the Euclid division algorithm on the value of B and R. On the value B and R. On the value B and R. So here again we have to apply the Euclid division algorithm on B and R. So what we get? 135 is equals to remainder 90 into, put the quotient and plus the remainder. Again let's check out what is the quotient and what is the remainder. So 135 divide by 90. What we get? As we see, 92s are 180, so only goes for 1s are 90. What we have here? 5 as it is, and 13 minus 9, 4. This is again remainder and this is the quotient. Let's put in this equation. So 90 into 1 and the remainder is 45. So here we have again R is not equals to 0. Then again we have to apply the Euclid division algorithm for B and R as well. Therefore, by Euclid division algorithm, 90 is equals to 45 into the quotient plus the remainder. So let's check out 90 divided by 45. As we know that 45 2s are 90. So we get the remainder as a 0. So bingo, we have remainder as a 0 in this stage. So 45 into quotient is 2 and the remainder is 0. So at this stage we get the remainder is equals to 0. Therefore at this stage the B is your HCF. As per Euclid division algorithm, B is your HCF. Therefore we have the HCF of 225 and 135 is equals to nothing but the 45. Okay, let's check out one more question 1 का second 196 and 38220. These are the two numbers basic. Now again we have to find the HCF of these two numbers only. So how can we find that? Same thing we done with these two numbers also. Here we check out what is the A and what is the B. Let's start. Our A is, as A is greater than B, that implies A is 38220 is greater than 196. Therefore we apply EDL on these two numbers. So therefore apply Euclid division algorithm on A and B. We have 38220 is equals to 196 into, put the question and plus remainder. See, in each division we see that we divide the whole numbers, each and every numbers only once, we get the remainder. हम आगे डिवीजन नहीं कर रहे हैं कि पॉइंट रख दिया यहाँ पे और फर्दर वी डिवाइड द नंबर्स. नो, वी डिवाइड ऑल द नंबर्स ओनली वंस. सो लेट्स चेक आउट हियर ऑल्सो. 38220 डिवाइड बाय 196. 196 वन जा 196 वन जा 196 only. So what we have? 12 minus 6, 6, 17 minus 9, it's 8, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 186 and 2 put down here. So we have 1862. So as we multiply the numbers, we have 196 into 9. 196 into 9, that means 196 into 9, we have 1764. So what we have finally? We have 12 minus 4, 8, 5 minus 6, no, it's not done, so we get the carryover. 15 minus 6 is equals to 9, 7 minus 7, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So we have 98. So let's put down this 0 here. So we have 980. So this is 196 5 196 5 is nothing but the 980. So we get the remainder as 0. As you all see that remainder is a 0. So bingo, we get just on a first stage only we get the remainder as a 0. So at this stage the B is our HCF as per the Euclid division algorithm. So if you see the difference here, why we divide the further and further? Because we not dividing all the numbers at once only. We divide the first 3 digits only, and here we divide all 3 digits in a first very stage. Okay, so this in this number we have a 1 2 3 4 5 numbers. So that's why we divide further and further till we get r is equals to 0. So at this stage the HCF is our B. The HCF of 38220 and 196 is equals to 196 itself. Okay, let's check out the question 3. From the question 1 is the HCF of the two numbers are given. HCF of 867 and 255. 867 and 255. Let's start. As you can see, it's very simple and it's very easy. So let's start for the third. A is greater than B. So here 867 is greater than 255. So by applying Euclid's division algorithm, we have 867 is equals to 255 into quotient plus some remainder. What we have that? Let's check out by dividing these two numbers. So 867 divided by 255. So what we get, as you can see, this is something 250. If we divide more quickly, then assume these things. अगर ये 250 है तो उसका डबल करेंगे, ठीक है, तो 500 होगा. उसका ट्रिपल करेंगे तो 7 समथिंग होगा, 750 समथिंग. तो इसलिए हमें 3 तक जाना पड़ेगा. ओके, डोंट मल्टीप्लाई ऑल द नंबर्स वन बाय वन, जस्ट एज्यूम दिस टाइप. So 255 3 is nothing but the 765. So what we have? 7 minus 5 2 0 and 102. So at the first stage we don't get r is equals to 0, but what we get, the quotient 3 and remainder is a 102. Just put down here, and as per Euclid division lemma, if r is not equals to 0, then apply again Euclid division algorithm on b and r, as we said earlier. So by again applying Euclid division algorithm on b and r, we have 255 into 102. Okay, so 102 into quotient plus some remainder. Let's check out. 255 divided by 102. Again, as we assume this 100, so 100 plus 100 200, and 3s are, it's a 300, so it's a more than 255. So let's check out for 100 and 2s are, it's a 204. So we have 5 minus 4 0 and 51. Okay, so put down here 2 as a quotient and 51 as a remainder. Again, at this stage also we don't have r is equals to 0. So again apply Euclid division lemma on b and r. So please keep the chain as it is, otherwise we don't get the answer. So 102 is equals to 51 into the quotient plus remainder. Now as we know all, 51 2s are, it's a 102. So we'll just check out here directly. 51 2s are 102, and we get remainder as a 0. So bingo, we have r is equals to 0. That's why at this stage the b is your HCF. So therefore the HCF of 867 and 255 is equals to 51. Thank you. In another video we start learning from the question 2. Thank you. Keep learning, keep smiling.